accepting the honor of being the ambassador of Academias Linux, so our project actually, because you're now part of it. So, well, I just wanted to thank you because you're gonna make a big difference in our project. And I think we can take Linux to a lot of places now. It was gonna be hard if you weren't with us. So, I don't know if you want to say anything.
Well, as you know, Daniel, I've been an educator for a long time. I believe a great deal in education. I believe that education is the cornerstone of free software. I believe that free software can help people get better educated and therefore get better jobs. So I'm very proud to be part of this project with you. Very good and long-time friends. And I've been very impressed with the other things you've done in Linux here in Argentina. And I'm very, very happy to be part of this project. There was a series of times where I almost got some money out of free software. So as an example, when Red Hat was having their IPO, Red Hat went around and did their friends and family thing where all the people that Bob Young and those guys thought had helped with free software got the chance to buy stock options at a low price. So when it went IPO, it was worth a lot of money. And I kept waiting for them to come to me and say, okay, Mad Dog, you're one of our friends and family, and here's your stock options. But they never did that. So came the day of the IPO, I was kind of, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what happened or anything. So a couple of years later, I went to Bob Young and I said, I happened to mention to him, Bob, I mean, everybody got all these friends and family things except me. And he goes, you didn't get any? He says, Eric Trump was supposed to give them to you. Oh, the idiot forgot. So I didn't get any friends and family from Red Hat. And then the IPO for VA Linux Systems happened. That, of course, is the most successful IPO of all time. I did have some stock options with that, but by the time I was able to execute them, actually the stock options were worth less than the stock itself. So that didn't really work out either.
Thanks a lot.